Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you guys will be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a review of the This Is My Era daily planner. Special thanks to This Is My Era for sending me this planner for review. As with all reviews on my channel, all opinions are my own. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Getting to the basics of this planner, it retails for $24.99. The size is an A5. There are 256 pages in total and the paper quality is 100 GSM. This is a durable hardcover, and as you can see, the This Is My Era logo is etched on the front. I chose the color red, but there is also yellow, black, and gold available. There is an elastic band to keep everything together and 2 bookmarks to mark off your pages as you wish. The website offers free shipping on orders $75 or more, but there is also free shipping available on Amazon. Let's go ahead and get into the layout. So the planner came with these 2 cards, and it says, with each planner purchase, we donate a stationery kit to a child in need. Help make it someone else's era as you make it your own. And they have more information at thisismyera.com/impact. And this is just information about their private Facebook group. So opening up the planner, you have the This Is My Era, your little information page with your name, address, phone, and email. Then welcome, our story, our impact. And then there is a vision area here with 3 questions. What does your era look like, feel like, and sound like? What would you be doing? Why is this vision important to you? Who or what inspires you? Then there is a breakdown of how to use this planner. There's a master goal list, a goal worksheet, a monthly review, a weekly review. And then there's different areas of life here, from career, personal development, financial, spiritual, family, social, health, and other. So for the master goals list, it does have a page that goes into more information on how to use it and how it works. So there's a spot for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 goals. And based on the area of life over here, the target date and the date completed. So that's cool. Then there is a goal worksheet, and this is the SMART goal tactic, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. And it's broken into the areas of life again. So basically, it's taking your goals and you can be more tactical with the steps and actions to achieve those goals. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, I would assume 10. Yep, 10 goal worksheets. And then this quote here. Then we get into the monthly review, which is the month on 2 pages. And then there's my top 3 goals this month, the 3 lessons I learned this month, and then you have the month up here. And there's also a little sidebar for you to put any additional notes. And this is a 90-day planner, so the months are grouped together. So the thing with 90-day planners or quarterly planners in general is, while you're paying $25 for a quarter, it's also a good way to not use, well, not use, it's a good way to test out a planner, and then if you don't like it at the end of a quarter, you can switch into something else and you don't have a planner that's going to waste. Moving into the weekly review, all of those are grouped together. So the weekly review has it week 1, week 2, week 3. Oh, this is for each month. Okay, week 4, week 5, week 6. Does it have them? Oh, nope, they're all grouped together up to week 13. So taking a closer look at the weekly review, you have the date of the week, the daily review pages, which is why these being numbered is great. So then you can reference. So there's a recap of last week, the wins and accomplishment, lessons learned, this week's goals and priorities, and then you put the area of life, goal 1 through 5, and then there's notes. Then there's another quote. Moving into the daily review, the layout is a day on 2 pages. So you have I'm thankful for, well, of course you have the date and you can circle the day of the week. The morning reflection, I'm thankful for today's priorities, my to-do list, affirmation, wins, accomplishments today, things I learned today. So there is both morning and evening reflection. And then over here on the second page, here is a quote. There are over 100 quotes throughout this planner. Then you have my schedule from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and there is plenty of space if you do choose to time block. I have shared videos on that before. Time blocking is when you're not living hour by hour, but instead of chunks of time. So you have space to do that. And then a little notes over here. And then let's see if there's anything else in between the days here. Still flipping. I think it's just all the days together. And then we have some notes pages back here, which is dot grid. And then that is the end of the planner. So again, you have the master goals list, the goal worksheet, the month on 2 pages, the weekly review, which is also a 2-page layout, and then the daily is on 2 pages as well. Last but not least, let's talk pros and cons. So the pros for me for this planner, I love that it is undated, which means you can use it whenever you want. If there's a day that you miss, it doesn't really matter. You just use however you wish. I also love that the daily is plenty of space for you to both journal and be functional. You have space to map out not just your day, but to also reflect. I love the combination of that in a planner. As for the cons, I don't like that, and I don't like this in any kind of planner that does this. I don't like when all the months are grouped together. The weekly is all grouped together. I mean, the weekly is for 13 weeks here that it's all grouped together. I'm not a fan of that. I also don't like that there's no tabs. I feel like with this kind of planner that having tabs would make it easier to navigate. And although yes, there are bookmarks, the bookmarks would be great to mark off your daily and your monthly. As for the weekly review, you'll have to add in some other kind of page flag, which is adhesive and you can move around. Of course, there's plenty of those on the market, but I think that having tabs with this would make for easier navigation. I do like that even though the website doesn't have the free shipping, you can get this on Amazon, which is great for all my Prime friends out there, and that their mission is to give back to the community, and for each planner that you buy, they are giving stationery in return. So it's the whole buy one, give one. But other than that, I really do like the day. My favorite feature of this would be the day on 2 pages. I really, really do love this. And it's not too big. As you know, the 8.5 by 11 inch planners, it's not too big. It's a very, very decent size. This will fit in any kind of bag. You don't have to worry about this getting messed up because of the hardcover. And of course you can put stickers in here as well. And the paper, it's 100 GSM. I wouldn't say that it's too thick. It's very, very smooth to the touch. So I like that. And again, I also like that the pages are numbered. So even though I think that having everything sectioned off is a con for me, and again, the cons of a planner are based on personal preference, but I really think that tabs would have made for easier navigation with this. But that wraps it up for this review. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comments section. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have all the information on This Is My Era, other related videos, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.